A dog is a man's best friend. Unfortunately, dogs are also every postman's worst nightmare. It is a well-known fact that the dogs dislike postmen. Slovenian Post, Posta Slovenije, found the reason why dogs hate postmen. Dogs are upset because of a little but important detail. Dogs never receive any mail. That's why Posta Slovenije was the first post in the world to prepare and deliver post just for dogs. It also contained a little surprise, a dog cookie from a local dog bakery. Now the dogs could forget their everlasting resentment to postmen. The news about the Posta Slovenije's thoughtful solution to this problem, which exists for hundreds of years, quickly becomes the bark of the town and spreads into the media.
Veljalo naj bi, da psi in poštarji niso najboljši prijatelji. Da bi se to spremenilo, je psom v Razvanju pri Mariboru poštar danes prinesel prav posebne pošiljke, v katerih so bili pasji piškoti.
Štirinožci namreč na raznašalce pošiljk pogosto lajajo, kdaj pa kdaj tudi ugriznejo.
Včasih.
Maja Kos je danes v Mariboru naletela na poštarja, ki je skušal primerje skleniti, ne boste verjeli, s pismom. Dragi Kuža, zdaj vem, zakaj si vedno lajal name, ko sem raznašal pošto. Nikoli nisi pošte prijel ti.
Da končava to zamero, sem to pismo prinesel samo tebi. Vsebuje slasten pasji piškot, naj ti tekne.
Posta Slovenije got a lot of media attention, and they showed their employees, the dogs and the country that their post is thoughtful, inventive and caring. And more importantly, it made the interaction between dogs and postmen more pleasant, and their job easier.